Good morning, students. This is Standard 6 Science video number 1. We have already started the chapter 8 Body Movement, and we have discussed about the joints also. Again, I am repeating that the place where two or more bone joints are called a joint. Bones are joined by a tough, flexible bands of elastic tissue that is called ligament. And the end of the bones forming a joint is lined a layer of tough and elastic tissue are called cartilage. This we have discussed in the earlier videos. Okay, and the cartilage makes the end of the bones smooth and reduce friction between the bones during movement. Cartilage is also present in other parts of the body like upper part of the ear and front part of the nose. Now we are going to start the types of movable joints, free movable joints. Okay, what is free movable joints? Okay, most of the joints in the human body are free movable. Okay, movable joints can be further classified into the following four different types. That is depending upon the type and extent of movement they allow. Okay, the first one we are going to see the first one ball and socket, second one pivot joint, third one gliding joint, okay, and fourth one hinge joint. These are the all four types of joints. Now we are going to study about the first one, the ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, the ball shaped end of one bone. Okay, as you can see here, this is the ball shaped end of one bone fits into the hollow cup shaped socket. This is the hollow cup shaped socket. Okay, you can see this is the hollow cup shaped socket. Here you can also see the hollow cup shaped socket of other points. This ball is fitted into this hollow joint. Okay, and these joints allow maximum movement in all directions. Okay, the joint of the shoulder, where it is found. Okay, first example is joint of a shoulder. Okay, your shoulder, this is the part where the joints are found. Okay, and the other example is hip bone. This is the hip bone, hip joint we call it. Okay, these two ways found the ball and socket joint. You can see here hip joints here. This is also, you can see here the hip joint here. Okay, now second one, come to pivot joint. What is pivot joint? Okay, the joint where our neck joins the head. You can see here our neck joins the head is a pivot joint. It allows to bend our head forward and backward and turn the head to our right or left. As you can see here, this is the backward position and this is the forward position. They can move it, and here also left and right position they can move. This is the pivot joint. Now you can see the third one is gliding joint. Okay, what is gliding joint? This type of joint allow the bones to glide over each other. Okay, that is called gliding joint. Okay, and providing a little movement in all direction, and not the maximum movement, but I said it is a little movement in every direction. Gliding joints are found between the wrist. Here you can see, here is the wrist, here the gliding joints are found. Okay, and the carpals, this is the carpals position, and between the ankle and tarsal, here also it is found the gliding joint. Okay, this part is the tarsal point and this part is the ankle point. Again I am showing to diagram. this part is the tarsal point and this part is the ankle point. Now you have understood it is found in the wrist, ankle. Okay, now the fourth one is the hinge joint. As we know about the hinge, you can see here hinge in your door it is found. It allows in only one direction. Okay, it allows in only one direction. A joint, hinge joint is like a hinge in a door. You have seen this. Earlier I have said this. We have hinge joint in our elbow. Here you can see our elbow like this joint. Okay, and where our elbow, fingers also we can move only a certain. Okay, you can see here. You can see here. Here the joints are knees. Okay, toes. These are the places where the hinge joint is found. Again I am saying the hinge joint is found in our elbows, fingers, knees and toes. They allow the movement of a bones in only one direction, as our door open in only one direction. So that is up and down or back and forth movement. Okay, this was all about the hinge joint. And now one our the most important our scientist is Wilhelm Roentgen. Okay, it is he is the very great scientist and he has discovered about the X-ray. X-ray were first discovered in 1895 when during experiment with the electric current passed through a vacuum tube. Okay, his full name was Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen noticed that nearby fluorescent which gives lights which glow when the current was being passed. When we provide current in a tube, okay, this gives a light. Okay, when the current was switched off, the screen stopped glowing. Okay, he attributed his effort to previously unknown rays which is called X-ray. Okay, from that we can see our bones, where is the breakage. If we make the accident, we can see where our bones are broken down. Okay, and he has got received the Nobel Prize for his discovery. Thank you very much.